Here we have an active shooter threat modeled for a 4-story call center. The insider threat targets the 4th floor offices where there are currently 22 employees. Here we see the planned attack pathway where the adversary uses an interior elevator to access the 4th floor in a building with no cameras or access control. AVERT is a 3D modeling and simulation software that calculates pathways and probabilities for a variety of scenarios and outcomes. The library is populated with 50 to 70,000 customizable entities and actions, like the time to break down a door with a power tool, pick a lock, or the detection rate of a camera. AVERT uses this dataset to generate thousands of events over hundreds of permutations to give a quantitative analysis of the intrusion scenario. Here we see the pathway and gunfire traces that the adversary generated. AVERT stores all the information in an easily accessible metrics tab, which provides insight into the total timeline, number of neutralizations, probabilities of damage and adversary detection, system effectiveness, and individual events over all the plans and individual runs of the plans. We undo an event playback to watch the events unfold in real time. The adversary is now detecting and randomly shooting targets throughout the facility until he runs out of ammunition. Here's the adversary report, which shows a simplified timeline of who the adversary was detected by, which objectives were accomplished, and a running probability of detection and eruption of the adversary and their neutralization. This is a brief glimpse into the first step in a system analysis using AVERT, which can also run detection and firepower heat maps, along with evaluating the probability of effectiveness for several site improvements to ensure the best return on investment when evaluating operational changes like evacuation plans, upgrading access control systems, or additional hardware like automatic door locks or security systems. Thank you for watching this brief video on AVERT. If you have any additional comments or questions, please feel free to reach out to Blaine Shirts.